Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, my name is Bani.
Hi, I'm Shahira.
My name is Zakariah.
Hello, my name is Jordan.
What is compound interest? So, compound interest normally apply to investment. The interest rate is added to the principal at the end of each interest period and thereafter earns interest. It is calculated based on the principal which change every year because based on the latest balance. Principal increase from time to time.
This is the formula for compound interest. Now, let's go to the question 1. Ms. Rafana invests 75,000 in platform Y and 25,000 in platform Z for durations of 15 years and 10 years respectively. Platform Y offer an interest rate of 3.15% compounded biannually and platform Z offer 2.05% compounded every 2 months. So, this is the information for this question. So, for platform Y, P is 7500, K is 0.0315, M is 2, and the last one, D is 15. So, we insert this information into this formula and the answer is 119,857 ringgit 77 10. So, for platform Z, the information is P is 25,000, K is 0.0205, M is 6, and the last one, D is 10. So, we insert this information into this formula and we get 30,677 ringgit 41 cent. So the total for platform Y and platform Z is 150,535 ringgit 18 cent.
For question 1B, after 84 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for platform Y and 2.20% compounded biannually for platform Z. For question 1B, find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. We will use formula compounded interest. From the information, we need to list P equal to RM 75,000, K equal to 0.0315, M equal to 2, T equal to 7. For platform Z, P equal to RM 25,000, K equal to 0.0205, M equal to 6, T equal to 7. This information you can get at the statement. This is the list that you will use for such compound interest. First of all, we will calculate the amount of investment for first 7 years, which mentioned 84 months using the information given. Step 1, we will calculate compound interest for platform Y and Z for the first 7 years. Here is platform Y. Insert all the information that refers to platform Y into the formula. After we calculate, we will get
X equal to 93,341 ringgit 96 cents.
For the platform Z, we do same formula as platform Y. So, we will get X equal to 28,850 ringgit 61 cents. After that, we will calculate for the rest 8 years since Ms. Rafana invests 15 years for platform Y and 3 years since 10 years at platform Z. This is the new information for platform Y. P equal to
93,341 ringgit 96 cents.
K equal to 0.0325, M equal to 4, T equal to 8. For platform Z, P equal to 28,850 ringgit 61 cent, K equal to 0.022, M equal to 2, T equal to T. So, we use same formula and we insert all the information into the formula. This is for platform Y. So, we will get X equal to 120,930 ringgit 88 cent. For platform Z, we will calculate this information. After we calculate, we will get X equal to 30,807 ringgit 89 cent. For the final answer, we sum out both answers. After calculate, this is the final answer. For the final answer, we sum out both answers. This is the final answer. RX 151,738 ringgit 77 cents. Next, question B2. Find the total interest earned from the both bank. So for this question, we will use simple interest formula. First, we will solve for platform Y. We will insert our information into the formula. After we calculate, we will get X equal to 45,930 ringgit 88 cent. We will do the same way like we do at platform Y. This is the equation for platform Z. So, we will get the final answer after we sum up both answers.
So what is annuity? Annuity is a concept that enables people to plan for the future in terms of investment and saving. So annuity calculation are used for financial consultant, which is to advise people on investment. Other than that, property agent, which is to estimate the repayment of housing loans, and then planning for retirement, and the last one is for investment. So annuity is divided by two, which is future value and present value. For future value, it is used to calculate total investment, to calculate total interest of the investment, and then to settle past payment. For present value, it is used to calculate total loan. Other than that, it is to calculate total interest of the loan, and then it is also to settle down future payments. Moving on to formula of annuity. So this is the example of formula annuity, which is future value and present value. Now we're going to answer question 2 that involve annuity. So the question is, Siti Nurhaliza needs 100,000 ringgit as business capital to open a new kiosk in a shopping mall. She borrows 100,000 ringgit from Bank KK at 4.2% interest compounded monthly. She intends to settle the loan with Bank KK by making 108 monthly payment. At the same time, she also invests in a mutual fund, depositing 5,000 ringgit every 6 months at a dividend rate of 9% compounded semi-annually. So question A asks for find the value of the monthly repayment. So in order to find the value of the monthly repayment, we need to write down the other clue that is given in the question. So the first one is A, which is the total loan that is cost 100,000 ringgit. J, which is the interest rate equal to 0.042. M, which in the question it mentioned it is compounded monthly, so equal to 12. T, the term is 9, which 108 divided by 12. So this is the formula that we use to answer the question. So we insert all of the information into the formula, which X is R, which is the monthly repayment, and then we will get 1,130 ringgit 53 cents for the monthly repayment.
For number 2, question B. Calculate the amount of interest charged by Bank KK. For the present value, the number is 1,100 ringgit, and for periodic payment is 1,130 ringgit and 53 cents. For the term of investment is 12 times 8 equal to 108. The formula we will use for this question is I equal to NR minus A. So N is the same as M times T. So we will invest all the information into this formula, and the answer for this question is 20,261 ringgit and 24 cents. For question C, determine the 6th payment to settle all arrears if she has not paid the first 5 repayments. Hence, calculate the interest rate charged on the late payment. So for the periodic payment is 1,130 ringgit and 53 cents. For the interest rate is 42%. The month is 12 and the term of investment is 6. So we will use the future value as the formula for this question, and then we put all the information into the formula, and the answer is 6,739 ringgit and 91 cents. But this is not the end. We will use I equal S minus N times R to find the interest, and the final answer is 58 ringgit and 73 cents.
Okay, we move to the next question. After making payment for 7 years, she decided to settle the loan with a single payment. So the periodic payment is 1,113 ringgit 53 cents. The interest rate is 4.2%. The month is 12, and the term of investment is 24. So the formula we will use is present value. So this is how we solve the question, and the answer is 25,590 ringgit and 60 cents. Okay, we will move to the next question. She will withdraw all her money from the mutual fund to help pay off the loan in full. Find the amount she can withdraw from the mutual fund. The periodic payment is 5,000. The interest rate is 9%. The month is 2, and the time is 7 years. The formula we will use is future value. Okay, this is how we solve the question, and the answer is 94,660 ringgit 55 cents. Okay, we will move to the last question. Calculate the total dividend she earned from the investment in the mutual fund. The periodic payment is 5,000. The term of investment is 7 times 2 equals to 14. And the future value is 94,660 ringgit 55 cents. First, we need to find the present value. That is 14 times 5,000 equals to 70,000. And then we subtract the future value and the present value. We will get the answer. That is 24,660 ringgit 55 cents. That's all from us, and thank you.